I get like 3 or 4 emails a day from companies wanting me to promote their products, and I usually say no. But this one caught my attention. Because if it works the way I think it does, it could save a ton of time. Especially if you're measuring rooms for flooring, paint, trim, stuff like that. So let me show you what this thing is. This is the Lexivon 2-in-1 laser and tape measure. At first glance, it looks just like a normal tape measure. Compact size, fits in your hand, nothing super crazy here. But built into it is the hidden feature. This also has a laser distance measure built right into it. It only has a 16-foot tape, but that's actually perfect for stuff like woodworking. But the laser can measure up to 130 feet. So now you've got a normal tape measure when you need one, and a freaking laser beam to take quick or very long measurements. This sounds pretty awesome, but let's take a deeper look. I will mention that Lexivon did send me this tape measure, but they are not paying me to make this video. This is my honest opinion. And frankly, I will never make a video about a product I don't believe in. First, let's take a look at the tape itself. The first thing I noticed, it actually feels decent. Not like a cheap gimmicky piece of junk. Sometimes products like this try to do too much and end up being terrible. This doesn't feel like that. It feels solid. It's got rubber all around to protect it when it gets dropped. The tape retracts really nice. Until I get a bunch of dirt and sawdust in there, I suppose. The lock seems to work really well. And I know what you're thinking, I shouldn't let the tape slam back in like that. However, you'll notice that the end actually has rubber on it to kind of help dampen that because they know people are going to be stupid like me. The blade itself is also very easy to read. It's got inches and centimeters on this side. It also has fractions printed on the tape so you don't have to count the marks. I actually like that, especially for woodworking. The tape is not super stiff though. If you need it to extend super long distances, this might be an issue. Overall, it's a decent tape measure, totally usable. Now here is the interesting part. Right here is the digital display. And when I press this button, it turns into a laser measure. You place the back of it against the wall, aim the laser where you want to measure, and hit the button. And then you get your distance right down to a 1/16 of an inch. I'm not sure if it's actually accurate down to a 1/16 of an inch, but we'll get to that in a bit. This laser distance measure could be super useful, especially if you're trying to measure a room size to calculate square footage. By the way, if you do decide you want one of these, I put a link in the video description with a 10% discount code that works on Lexivon's entire Amazon store. The laser distance measure is one of those features you didn't even know you needed until you tried it and you're like, holy crap, this is amazing. If you're working by yourself, and I usually am, measuring a room can be very annoying. You hook one end of the tape, if there's even something to hook it to, you walk backwards, tape falls down, maybe the tape isn't long enough, so you have to do that thing where you mark a spot on the floor with your eyes, and then you store it in your brain, and then walk the tape over that point. If you've done this, you know what I'm talking about. Then you have to do it all over again. Then you got to write the number down. Kind of works. We've all done it, but it's not exactly elegant. So I'm going to measure this room using my tape measure and my laser distance measure. And I want to compare the two to see if I actually save time. I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to work at a normal pace. Also, kind of a neat feature here, it also saves the last measurement you took. So here's the current measurement, and here's the one I took just before that. First, the normal tape measure. I'm measuring the same wall I'm about to do with the laser. You can see it works fine, it just takes longer. You're also losing a little accuracy when the tape measure isn't long enough and you need to walk it over. As you can see here, I'm also measuring over the riser, so I have to kind of stop each time the riser kind of breaks up my measurement. Not really too big of a deal, but kind of inconvenient. And like I said before, every time I do this, it's going to hurt the overall accuracy. This is extremely difficult, especially when working by yourself. When I was doing this, it made it very apparent that this is not a very stiff tape measure. Time. Okay, now we're going to do that again, except this time using the laser distance measure. Now let's do the laser. You put the back up against the wall. You aim the laser at the other wall. Press the button. Done. Repeat with the other wall. That was super easy and fast. And as you can see here, it actually recorded the last 2 measurements I took, which were the only 2 measurements for this room. So I didn't have to write anything down, made it super easy. This situation is where this thing really shines. Especially if we're gonna do multiple rooms for estimates, that time really adds up. This thing is obviously very fast, but the next question is it accurate? So I wanna take a shorter measurement and compare something controlled that I can easily measure accurately with the tape. I'm going to use the distance between these 2 walls. I've got 3 feet 8 inches, almost exactly. Now for the laser. Got to make sure I try and pick the exact same spot. Three feet 8 inches, exactly. At this distance, that is incredibly accurate. I did not expect this. I didn't expect this to go that well. I'm a little bit freaked out right now. And this right here is a very long distance to my basement, and this is where this thing probably would shine even more. It'd be very difficult to get an accurate measurement with a tape, especially a 16-foot tape, with this long of a distance. Watch how fast I'm going to get a laser measurement of this distance. Put it on the wall. Aim it. 45 feet 3 inches. I took the measurement 3 times and I got the exact same thing every time. Actually 45 feet 3 inches and 1/16. Let's try it again to see if I can still get that same 16th. "45 feet 3 inches and 1/16. You can see it shows it twice there, exactly the same. Unbelievable. Just for fun, I'm going to try it on this door jamb. I'm going to measure it right down here where the latch is so I can get the same measurement each time. I'm getting 2 feet 7 inches and just under 3/8. Let's try the laser. "2 feet 7 inches and 7/16. Pretty freaking good. This thing was actually pretty much spot on up to at least 1/8 of an inch at those short distances, and it was actually a lot better than I expected. I would love to do this test with a much longer distance, but frankly, it's hard to get a super accurate measurement even with a tape measure by yourself. You're not going to use this laser for fine woodworking joinery, but for some room dimensions, flooring, trim, paint, general house stuff, it's more than accurate enough for that. The places I'd probably use this the most would be estimating square footage of the room for flooring, quick wall lengths for baseboard or trim, figuring out how much paint I need, checking to see if furniture will fit a room, basically just getting room dimensions fast when planning a project. That's where this thing comes in super handy and can save a ton of time. When something like this tape measure is this easy to use, I'm always going to grab it first. With any good tool, there's always some limitations. And I wouldn't say that this thing can do it all. Remember, the laser needs to have a wall to bounce off of, so if you're measuring outside walls, for example, it might not always work. It does still have a 16-foot tape, but when measuring something big enough like the outside of a house, you're going to want something longer. So this doesn't replace every tape measure you own, but inside the house, this thing's amazing. Honestly, when I first got this in the mail, I expected it to be kind of gimmicky. That was my first thought. But after using it, I actually get it. It really speeds things up and makes measuring a room super easy and fast. And if a tool saves you time, it's worth spending a little bit of money on it. That's pretty much the best compliment that you can get from me about a tool. And the disclaimer here, Lexivon did send me this out to test. But like I said earlier, I don't make videos on stuff that I don't believe in. If you want to check this out for yourself, I put a link and discount code down in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments, is this something you'd actually use? Or do you have a better method for quickly measuring a room? Until then, we'll see you in the next one.